Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube family? This is Calico the Truth Reviews, and I am back again with another video. Today I got the Rove R2-4K Dashcam. So is that the right name? The Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam. All right, and it says it's the model R2-4K Pro, and it says "Truth be told" on the front. From the branding, it says it has custom design, beautiful software, remote firmware update using the Rove app, voice guidance with fail-safe recording, voice feedback, a 2.4 IPS display, dual band 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS for geotagging. You also got USB-C connector. All right, so should be simple, straightforward, simple, all the way to the point. All right, and also the features on the box says user-friendly, custom design software, Rove guidance, Rove app, and iOS and Android devices. So that means that this will work with your Android and your iPhone. And then you also got built-in GPS and geotagging, so that way your GPS, it'll show you, your GPS, I'm sure, wherever you are, probably coordinates, it should probably show up. Then also you got your built-in dual band 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You also got a super capacitor, 24-hour auto trigger parking mode. Ooh, that's cool. It says the Rove USB-C HWK required, not included. So I guess this is something that would have to be required if you plan on doing like a 24-hour parking mode. That way it can record all your incidents and accidents 24 hours. Anything that happens 24 hours, you have to use that. It said it supports up to 512 gigabytes for a micro SD card, not included, which I did get the SanDisk 256 gigabyte SD card here. All right, and then it says it has WDR, wide dynamic range, G sensor, 150 degree ultra wide A+ viewing angle. Also has loop I can't even speak today. Loop recording, USB-C type input and output. It also has super night vision, time-lapse video, screensaver, built-in speaker and microphone, and it has a lifetime customer service support. All right, and the contents of this box, of course, you get the Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam, the Rove fast dual USB car charger, your 12 feet Type-C USB power cable, a 2.5 feet Type-C USB data cable, 360 degree rotational windshield suction mount, a 360 degree rotational spare sticky mount, and then you also have car wiring, trim tool, 5 times cable clips, 2 times wet cleaning pads, and then you got a 1 electrostatic film for sticky mount, 2 times spare sticky tapes. It has a user manual, and then also it has registration card. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the get into the actual unboxing of this thing. I actually want to give it a try it out in the daytime as well as nighttime video. I want to see what it looks like. Something simple and effective to use whenever you guys drive for a living, or you got people that actually drive. Just in general, you want to always just protect your investment, protect your car. You don't want anybody out here hitting you. I've seen so many accidents out here. Trust me, you guys, it's not fun, all right? It's not fun at all. Getting into those little mishaps and all of those big situations with people actually getting into accidents out here. I never recommend anybody to not invest in the things that they should, okay? I'm getting notifications, sorry. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's in the box, all right? All right, so go ahead and open it up here. Start taking it apart here, all right? And let's toss that to the side. Let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up here. Oh, it just opens up this way. And as you see, you get your user manual. Most important, get your memory card. Tells you what class memory card you can use. You know, just, you know, if you get error messaging and all that, they just want to let you know that, hey, this is the reason why you might be getting an error message because you're not using the right type of memory card. And also, I guess this is for like providing feedback on the device. Share your capture moments, win big. Yeah, yeah. If you guys want to win big, all right, you can do that. All right. So, I guess these are the contents here. Let's remove this, and this is your actual dash cam, the Rove 4K dash cam here. Okay. So you got buttons on here. All right. You got your menu. Look, you got top up. Look like you got a exclamation, probably to play back an incident. You got downward signal here. You got OK button, and it has a TV out, so you can actually look like you can actually display this to a bigger monitor or TV. So cool. So this has a little piece of tape on it on the lens here. Let's go ahead and remove that. All right. So that's how that looks. And then it also has a type C output there. Has some vents here. Then on this side, looks like you put the micro SD card here and then also your power switch. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox, take this little stuff out of this box here. Check this out. Let's move this stuff on out the way. No longer need this stuff. All right, so let's take this out of the box here. This contains your suction mount, sticky mount, your charger for it, fast charger. You also get a 2.5 Type-C cable, spare stickers. All of the contents are in here, you guys, so no need to keep going into explanation. There you got sticky mounts there. Okay, you got cables, USB-C type cables, and you also got regular USB cables, so I'm sure you want to, if you want to tether that to your computer, you want to be able to transfer the videos to your computer, however you like. Also, you got another, look like another tool here. And then you also get some more sticky tape and stickers in case you want to mount. You get your car charger here with some USB-A type connections. All right. Cleaning wipes. You get 2 of those cleaning wipes. And then you get your suction mount here. So that's pretty cool. You get your actual suction mount. So we'll go ahead and get that down. And what is this? It's electrostatic film for it. It's like 2 of them, I guess. But whatever that's for, you know, cool. All right. So we're going to go ahead and hook this up to the car, and I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys along with me when I do film the, just to show you guys the clarity, what the daytime driving is about. Also, it's saying that it films in 4K, so I want to actually see what's the quality that does display out of this camera here, this dash cam, I'm sorry. And also just checking it out, just seeing if it's actually worth the buy. Okay guys, so for this specific dash cam, I actually paid only $129.99 for it, but now it's on sale for actually $84.97 on Amazon, so you can save 47% off on it right now as I am recording this video. This company is not sponsoring this video by any means, so all my thoughts and all my opinions are my own. So me reviewing this product is my own ideas, my own thoughts. entirely. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the footage that it does display out of the camera in just a sec once we finally get into the car and we actually drive. All right, so I want to give you guys some daytime and nighttime footage, and then after that we'll come back and we'll talk about it, and if it is a good buy, if it's worth it, and we will definitely come back to you guys once we finally get a thorough and more in-depth video comparison of this dash cam to see what it actually looks like. So we will come back to you guys once we finally figure everything out. All right, see you in a minute. All right guys, so in the car I have the Rove 4K plugged in now. It says format the card, all other stuff will be erased, all data will be erased. I'm gonna hit yes, hit OK. Now it says formatting.
Format successful.
Okay, all right, and it's voice. All right, and then so you can do manual, you can do your time zone set. You know what? Let's just do the, I guess the manual setup. I guess. All right, let me go ahead and set this up, you guys. I'll come right back. All right, guys, so I finally got it set up. I had to change the resolution. It had 2K at 60 frames per second and then also 4K at 30 frames per second. So I set it to 4K. Gonna definitely give it a shot and just test it out here to see what it actually looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and ride around a bit. All right, guys, so that was the test. Also some night footage samples that I have included in here as well. So it should be a pretty interesting take on what I have so far with the night vision. It says it has super night vision. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple and plain. Well, I have not been able to connect it to the app just yet. I haven't connected it to the app to give it a shot, but I will update you guys once I do get it connected to the app to see for myself. All right, guys, so that was the video. Definitely wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the Rove Dashcam. It's definitely a pretty good dash cam from what I see. As observing through the night, the night vision, it looks pretty good. Looks like the 4K is pretty good. I saw that it had like 3 modes. Like it was like a regular 2K mode. Then it was like I think it was 2K 30, and then there was 2K 60, and then there was a 4K 30. But I mean, I chose 4K 30. All right, that's my take on it. I didn't need 2K 60. I need at least 4K 30. I want to be able to have clean, clear video. So I'm gonna go back and actually look back at the video itself and see what it looks like. But you guys let me know in the comments section what it looks like. If you did make it to this point in the video, please drop me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out the channel. But I do appreciate you guys if you did make it to this far in the video. Thank you for watching. And this has been your man Calico the Truth Reviews. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.